To access the mobile site, just open a web browser on your device and point it at lynda.com. Our site should detect that you're browsing on a mobile device, and the mobile site will be displayed. If for some reason the mobile site doesn't appear, you can use the address m.lynda.com. The mobile site works on iPhone or iPod Touch running iOS 3.2 or later, as well as on Android devices running OS 2.0 or later, and BlackBerry devices running OS 5.0 or later. The mobile site will work either over Wi-Fi or over your cellular provider's network. If you have an iPad or other tablet-sized device, we recommend that you use the regular lynda.com site, because the mobile site is optimized for devices with smaller screens. If you're a lynda.com member, click Login on the home screen to enter your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page where you'll see a list of the items you last viewed, the items in your playlists, your course history, as well as a list of our latest releases. So for example, if you'd like to start watching a course you had previously been watching, here on the home page you can scroll back up to Last Viewed to find the movies you most recently viewed and pick up where you last left off. You can always return to the home screen by tapping Home in the navigation bar. The other items in the navigation bar allow you to browse our library by subject, software, and author. The other items in the navigation bar allow you to browse our library by subject, software, author, and by the new releases. When you tap any of these categories, you'll be taken to a page where you can browse them alphabetically. So, for example, if you wanted to find some training on photography, you would tap Subject, P, and Photography to see all the related courses. When you find a course you'd like to watch, tap its name to open its course details page. Here, you can tap to read the course description, and then scroll down to browse the table of contents. Use the triangles next to each chapter's name to collapse and expand that chapter, or tap Expand All or Collapse All, which can make it easier to browse the contents of longer courses. If you want to remind yourself to return to this course at a later time, tap the Playlist button to add it to a new or existing playlist. You can get to your playlists at any time by tapping your username at the top of the screen and then choosing Playlists. Another way to find specific information is to use the search bar at the top of each page of the mobile site. Tap in the field, type your search terms, and then tap Search. In a few moments, you'll see a list of courses matching your search. You can use the Sort menu here to sort your results by relevance, course name, learning level, duration, or release date. Tapping a course will take you directly to that course's details page. You can also view your search results by video by tapping the Video tab. Tapping a video plays it right away. Tap Done to close the movie. At the bottom of every page of the mobile site is the footer area, where you'll find links to other information or parts of the site you might want to visit, such as our About page, the site map, or the Subscribe page if you're not currently a member and would like to sign up. Also found in the footer area is the link to the full site, which takes you to the non-mobile version of lynda.com, so you can browse our website in the format and layout you see in your desktop web browser. Although, be aware that certain elements of the full site might not function depending on the device and browser you're using. Because of the smaller screen size of your device, you'll most likely have to zoom in to navigate the site as well. To return to the mobile version of the site, just type in the address m.lynda.com again, or use the back button within your browser. The mobile site has been optimized for easy navigation on your device's smaller screen, so if you're familiar with our full site, you shouldn't have any trouble finding what you're looking for. But you will find some key differences between the mobile and full versions of our site. For example, our mobile site does not currently support features such as bookmarks or closed captioning. To access these features, switch to the full version of the site. We hope you enjoy having access to the entire lynda.com library of courses from your mobile device.